Flooding has caused some road closures in Middle Tennessee, and that includes Spring Hill. Back to Josh at the WKRN.com desk.
Yeah, so Old Kedron Road is covered in water. You can't actually see the roadway here. Spring Hill Police did provide us some photos showing all of that water. Take a look right there. You see, if you look very closely, the line on the road, but yeah, the water falling so fast there that it did start to fill the roadway as a result of the flash flooding we've seen all across that area this morning. Now, we have also learned that the bridge over on Port Royal Road between Tom Lund Road and Fisher Park was closed due to a tree that was blocking the waterway. That was leading to even more flooding, but thankfully we have learned from Spring Hill Police that log has been moved out of the way. So those road closures, though, do remain in effect. We'll keep you updated on air and on our website, WKRN.com.